Hi, this is my sister Paulina. She will be helping me with this video submission. So for this first exercise, it'll be a calf stretch. This will help you have better movement in your ankle area, and it will help you when you're running have a much better explosive movement as you push off from the floor. And it should also help with the pain that you're experiencing. So what I want you to do, you can step to the side, is you're gonna be arm length with the wall, and then you're going to step forward with the right, and then you're going to use the wall to help you, and you're going to lean into the wall, first with your knee straight and then with your knee bent. Go ahead, and you're going to hold that for 60 seconds, each one. And you should feel the stretch in this area right here. Okay, go ahead and release, and then go ahead and do it with your knee bent. Yep. And then lean forward. Good job, and then you'll hold that for 60 seconds. Okay, that's enough. Okay. So for this next stretch, we're going to focus on a different muscle, which is called tibialis posterior. What you're gonna do is put your left leg over your right leg, and you're going to hold your toes, and you're going to pull them up towards your leg until you feel a stretch, and you're going to hold that for 60 seconds. You can do these stretches every day and do them 60 seconds at a time, and you can also repeat them one time. So do 60 seconds, then rest, and then do another 60 seconds. And you can do them every day to improve your flexibility. So go ahead and sit on the mat. Okay, now put your left leg over your right leg. Great. And go ahead and hold your toes up towards your leg. And you should feel that stretch in all this area right here. Good job. Okay, so for this next exercise, you're going to be, first I'm going to teach you how to have better control of your intrinsic muscles of the foot, which are basically inside of your foot, and they support the arch, which is this area right here. Let me see, this area, right there. And what you want to do is place your foot on the floor, and you're going to pretend like you're going to bring your foot into a ball, but without moving your toes, like this. There shouldn't be much movement, it's just more of how it feels in your foot. And then after you accomplish that, you're going to have this towel on the floor, and you're basically going to roll it up using only your toes. So one full set will be when you're done rolling the towel all the way. And you should do 4 sets of these. And you should repeat these 4 times per week. Okay, so go ahead and try it. Cookie, go. Okay, so having your foot on the ground, you don't have to put a whole lot of weight. You just have to make sure that you're making your foot short like this, or you're basically bringing it into a ball, but without lifting your toes from the floor. And it's more of how it should feel in your foot. You shouldn't see a whole lot of movement, just in this area maybe. And that will help you support the arch of your foot, which is always helpful for running pain-free. Okay, once you've accomplished that, we'll use this towel on the floor. Okay, and you're going to use your toes to bring the towel in. And one set will be when you've accomplished to bring the towel all the way in. And you should do 4 sets of these 4 times per week. Okay, so for this next exercise, we're going to use this band. This will help you begin strengthening the tibialis posterior, the gastrocnemius, the tibialis anterior, and all the muscles that help propel your foot and just increase your overall ankle strength. The first thing that you want to do is place these on the balls of your foot, and you're going to hold it, and you're going to move your foot as if you were stepping on the gas pedal. Like that. You're going to repeat these 15 times. Okay? And the next thing that you want to do is bring the band over to the side. And then you're going to place your right foot over the band. That's just to avoid the band moving all over the place. And now you're going to bring your foot to the side, like this. Like that. You should always avoid moving the leg. The focus should always be just on the ankle, okay? And then one last one is you're going to bring the band to the other side, and then you're going to cross your right leg over to the other side. And you're going to bring your foot in like this. And again, you're going to do 15 reps of each one of them, and you're going to do 4 sets. Okay, so go ahead and try it yourself. Okay. Perfect. And let's just move these a little bit more this way. Good job. And you can just hold it with one hand. And go ahead and pretend like you're stepping on the gas pedal. Good job. Make sure you're not moving any of this area right here. The movement should only be in the ankle. Perfect. Okay, now you can bring the band over to this side. Good job. And now you can use this foot to hold the band. Great. And then you're going to move that way. Yes, you're right. Make sure that you're not moving the quad area. Just the movement should be just in your ankle. Okay, good job. Now we're going to bring it to the other side. Cross your leg, yep. And bring your foot in. Good job. Okay, that's it. Okay. For this next exercise, what I'm going to have you do is step on your left leg only. You can just go like this, and you're going to do a single leg squat, just like this. Go as deep as you can, as long as you're able to come back up comfortably. But we're going to add another challenge to this, and you're going to be holding the band like this. And I'm going to be holding the other end, pulling this way. So you're going to feel the pull or the need to fall this way. You have to fight that and use your hip muscles to prevent from falling to that side. And this exercise will be good for you because research shows that strengthening the hip abductors and external rotators actually helps with the ankle pain that you're experiencing. Okay, so go ahead and stand right there. And you can hold the band like this so that you don't lose too much of your balance. Okay, and go ahead when you're ready, go ahead and go into a single leg stance and then into a single leg squat. And you always just want to make sure that your knee is not going over your toe. Good job. And go ahead and do 2 more times. Okay. Good job. Perfect. So you're going to do 8 to 12 reps of these, 3 to 4 sets, and 4 times per week. Okay. So for this next exercise, it will be very similar to the running lunges that you already do. As you know, running lunges help improve form, improve strength, and just overall body mechanics of when you're running. The difference here is that I'm going to have you do them up on your toes. That will help you continue to increase the strength of your gastrocnemius, tibialis, anterior, tibialis posterior. So you're going to go up on your toes and then go right into lunge, like so. Okay, go ahead and do that. So up on your toes, yes, and then go ahead and step right into lunge. Yep, there you go. Nice. Okay, so you're going to do 20 sets of the running lunge with the toy races. And you should do 3 sets of those each day. So for this last exercise, we're going to add a little bit of instability. This will help improve balance and just overall endurance and strength. This will help you especially in unstable surfaces when you're running. So you're going to step onto the mat and you're going to first try a single leg stance. Find your balance. Once you find your balance, you're going to reach forward and then go right into that running pose. And then you're just going to keep repeating this for 20 to 25 reps. So go ahead and try it. Okay, first find your balance with your left leg. And then go right into that reaching forward. And then back to a running pose. Great. And do it like 3 more times. Good job. Perfect. Okay. And that's it.